Executive leaders could expect their operational leaders to be more refined, more sophisticated, more nested with the overall strategy without selling out and throwing either various departments or various levels of the competency hierarchy under the bus.
Operational leadership is defined by a focus on systems, people and processes. It's about understanding the complexities of strategic leadership and tactical leadership and creating a balance between them both. It's a glue that brings organisations together. Hey, operational leadership isn't for everyone. I've said before, it implies hardship and sacrifice. By voluntarily stepping forward into the arena, you set yourself in a different class. You acknowledge how tough it is, you acknowledge how hard it is, but you step in there and you do it anyway. Because not everyone can do it.
The irony about education is you don't understand its value until you've done it. It couldn't be more truer than for operational leadership, because it's a new language at the strategic level, it's new understandings, it's new scale and it's new context. I'm trusting that this program is built in such a way that it instills trust up and down the chains, and it builds people's confidence to be able to inject at all levels of the competency hierarchy. I'm confident we've achieved that.